Let us chat. I am building a community with one group 7 love. So this is all about love, nature, and positivity. So welcome on in and enjoy the channel and all our vibes. That's what I am doing here. I appreciate you guys, so I am talking to you guys. So what's up? What's up, everyone? How you doing? Let me know how you doing in the chat. Drop a comment. How are you tonight? One group 7 love. Just here with the vice. The face will come later. Yes, the face will come later. You never know when the face may reveal. So if you want to see the face, you keep come to the live. And the face will pop up one day. One day the face will pop up. So yes, guys. Welcome on in. One group 7 love. Love you. All about love. Nature. Welcome in. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Nothing fancy around here. So enjoy the vice, guys. Enjoy the vice. Let me know what you think about the vice. It's all about one group 7 love. Love you. So come into this community, guys. This is the community. This is one group 7 love. One group 7 love. Everyone. Good night. Good evening, wherever you are, guys. All I'm saying tonight is good night, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. But welcome on in to the one group 7 love. Yes. One group 7 love, guys. One group 7 love. So let us spread it. Let us spread the love with one group 7 love. All about love, guys. We need that. Love and positivity. That's what we're talking about. No matter what you're going through. Love and positivity. Yes. Love and positivity.